Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make Instagram account private from business. So basically, first of all, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna have to do here, that first of all you're gonna have to open up your Instagram application, and then you want to go into your profile. So just go to your profile and then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. And if you scroll down here, you can see here the option account privacy. If you open it up and if you try to make your business account private, it will tell you that you can't make your business account private. Okay, and then come back here, and then what you're gonna have to do, tap on creator tools and controls, tap on switch account type here, and then first of all you're gonna need to convert your business account into a professional account. Okay, and then when you can convert your business account to professional account, then you will be able to change your account type. You will be able to change your account from public to private. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.